Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you recently replaced the water filter in your GE Cafe refrigerator, but the filter light still refuses to disappear, or the reminder keeps showing up on the display, you are definitely not the only one. Sometimes the refrigerator continues showing the old filter message even after a fresh filter is installed, which can make people think something went wrong. Since many GE Cafe refrigerator models require a manual reset after replacing the filter, knowing where to press can make the process much easier. The good part is that resetting the water filter reminder usually only takes a moment once you know what to check. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to reset the water filter on a GE Cafe refrigerator. Try this. Step 1. Check that the new filter sits correctly inside the GE Cafe refrigerator. Step 2. Find the filter reset option on the GE Cafe refrigerator display panel. Step 3. Press and hold the reset control on the GE Cafe refrigerator briefly. Step 4. Wait for the filter message on the GE Cafe refrigerator to clear or refresh. Step 5. Dispense water from the GE Cafe refrigerator to confirm normal flow returns. Step 6. Recheck the GE Cafe refrigerator display and confirm the filter reminder disappears.